Hi, P67. So I was just doing this to help somebody else, and I thought I would just talk you through it as well in case you wanted to do it. So, converting fractions to decimals, I did the example with 1/6. Okay, so 1 over 6. So remember, the top number is the numerator, the bottom number is the denominator. Okay, so the rule for converting fractions to decimals is that you divide the numerator by the denominator. This is how we write it out, right? Like any other division sum. So you divide the numerator, which is 1, by the denominator, which is 6. But remember, we don't just write 1, you write 1.00, because that's the same as 1 anyway, okay? So, how many times can 6 go into 1? It can't, so you put your 0, right? Then you're taking this 1 over, and that's now tenths, okay? And you've got your decimal point there. 10 divided by 6, it goes 1 time, carry the 4. That's now 40. So 40 divided by 6, which I couldn't work out, it's 6. And then obviously you would have, because 6 times 6 is 36, and you would have 4 left over, but it could go on and on. So you just leave it as 0.16. And that's how you do it, remember? So 1/6 is equal to 0.16, okay? So, next, converting decimals into percentages. So remember, percent, I always split it up into 2 words, right? Percent, it's related to 100. So you know that when you're doing anything to do with percentages, you're looking for what is it out of 100, okay? So percent out of 100. So let's do it with 0.16. So remember, we've done this loads, right? So multiplying by 100, the decimal point moves twice. 1, 2, right? So we've got 0.16. Jump once, the answer would be 1.6. Jump again, the answer is 16.0. You know that's just the same as 16. So 0.16 is 16%. If we did it with another decimal, so 0.32 times 100, so as a percentage, jump once, jump twice, would be 32.0 or 32%. Just a wee refresh, Tripolopers. Bye.